Hello, this very short video is to show you how to add an image that the students cannot move either accidentally or on purpose. So this image works. You can maybe have students annotate it in a few different ways, but once students start accidentally moving this document, all of their content becomes out of context. So we don't want that. So I'll show you the steps of how to do it. Obviously, you need to take some time to find or create the perfect image, but for lack of time and to be respectful of your time, I'm simply going to take a screenshot of this pretty nice one from Canva. And I'm just going to do Command-Shift-4. It'll go to my desktop after it disappears here. I cannot just drag it. Jamboard does not allow that I know of. I might be wrong, but basically right now it's on the main screen. That's not working, so I'm going to erase that. What I do want to do, I want to click Set the Background. I want to click the image here, and I want to browse, and now it's on my desktop. Must be this one right here. I'm going to click Open. And now it's there. And now kids cannot move around. They can simply move this around. You can make copies. And of course, you would just go here, and you would click here to duplicate, etc. So those are the quick steps. Feel free to rewind, pause, etc., and reach out if you would like some more help. Have a good day.